Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to make hard reset on your headphones SOUNDCORE Space Q45. To make a hard reset, just press and hold power button and volume up button for at least 5 seconds, until you can see that LED light it starts flashing red 3 times. Yeah, and as you can see it's flashing. Now click the information icon or settings icon if you have Android. Forget this device, forget device. And now if you have Android, click pair new device, and after that click on your headphones. That's it, we just make it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!